Hello, today we are going to demonstrate how you can make an online payment through eLearning.lk. So first, visit eLearning.lk and scan through the website to find a preferred course that you want to pay for. As an example, we are choosing this Arduino course. So once inside the course, you can see that it has a value and you can read through the information as well as check out the lessons. There are free lessons as well as paid lessons. So you can click on a free lesson and check out how the content is like. So when you are satisfied with the content, you can register for the website. Just click the topmost button, the registration button, and fill up your details. Click sign up. Then you will get a message like this. Also, make sure to check your email inbox for the registration confirmation email. If you don't see the email, make sure to check the spam box as well. So inside that email, there's a verify email button. Click on that. Now your account is activated. Please log in from the email and the password you have given in the previous step. Now you are logged in. You can go to your account details, your courses, your profile details and your certificates by clicking on the respective link. Now we are going to buy the course. Go to the course again while you are registered and click Get Enrolled button. Now, since it is a paid course, you have to check out through a cart. Go to Proceed Checkout. This is the payment details screen where you have to enter the missing details and proceed to the payment. We have several payment options as shown in the video. Now click Proceed with the payment. Now you are in Pay Here Payment Gateway, where you can use the listed payment methods to make your payment securely. So since I am having a Visa debit card, I am using that option. In the meantime, you will be receiving an email like this. This email says that your order has been placed and is pending payment. So this is not a confirmation of you buying the course, but just a reminder that this order is pending payment. So we have to complete the payment. So enter your debit card details or credit card details as shown. And the CVV code is the code that is behind the credit card or debit card. Now once you completed that step, you will receive an OTP code from the bank as shown. This can be received on your phone as well as your email. So make sure to check it and enter it here. If you don't receive that as an email or an SMS, please contact your bank. Now the payment is approved. Wait until you are redirected to the eLearning.lk website. Now your payment is successful. You must see this screen in order to make sure that you have enrolled to the course. Now click to continue. Now you can consume the course content leisurely. You will receive two other emails to make sure that your payment is confirmed.